Here's before and after of an image that was edited using Nano Banana AI image editor. I replaced my cycling suit with a Santa Claus suit and added Merry Christmas in just a few minutes. Google's image editing model, Nano Banana, has now been added to YouTube. You can use this feature when you add an image to community posts, so you can connect with your audience in new and creative ways. More on this later. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Nano Banana inside Google AI Studio, how to edit a community post image inside YouTube using AI, and the top ways to use Nano Banana to edit images in your community posts. Quick question for you. Do you currently use images in your community posts, or do you just post text? Post your answer in the comments below. I read all of them. Visit the Google AI Studio at aistudio.google.com. You have Nano Banana Pro, which is the paid version, and the free version is Nano Banana, which we're going to use for this one. Click on Nano Banana. It says ready to chat. Selected Nano Banana. I'm going to say replace the cycling suit with a Santa Claus suit in this photo. Click on Insert Images. Click Upload a File. Here's my image. Click Open. Click Run. It's not exactly the same as what I showed you previously, but you get the idea. I can also say add a white beard. Click Run. And here's me riding my bike with a Santa Claus suit. If I want to add Merry Christmas, just say add Merry Christmas top right. And there you go. Merry Christmas has been added to the photo in just a few minutes. Here's before and here's after. Now you can use Nano Banana to transform your photos in just a few seconds. You can add or replace objects, generate unique art, create virtual try-ons with clothing or makeup, and make detailed edits like restoring old photos. Now once I have an image, I don't just use it once. I start thinking in clips. I'll take this exact before and after moment and turn it into a quick clip for shorts. I do that using Nexus Clips because it helps me reuse moments like this without re-editing everything. It scans your long-form video, finds your best moments automatically, and creates multiple shorts that YouTube can use as additional signals. Instead of repeating the same explanation across multiple long videos, I create short focused clips that answer one question clearly, like how AI discovers videos or how monetization really works. So one AI image edit can turn into a community post or multiple shorts that link back to the full video. If you're serious about growing on YouTube long term and not just chasing one viral hit, try Nexus Clips and let your content work harder for you. Link is in the description. Use coupon code HERMAN to get 10% off. Here's how to use Nano Banana inside the YouTube app to edit images in community posts. Tap the YouTube app, tap the plus sign, tap Post. Select an image from the camera roll on your phone, tap on the image. Replace Help me edit this image with Show us eating bananas. Tap the arrow. Now it's processing the image, and here's the edited image ready to post. Keep in mind any images that are edited with Nano Banana inside YouTube will automatically show a disclosure that the content is made with AI. Here's how to create or edit a post image using Nano Banana Image Editor with the YouTube app. Tap YouTube app, tap the plus icon, select Post, tap the image icon, tap Create an Image. Try something like painting of a cozy cabin with a fireplace, fancy private jet interior, a relaxing empty beach at sunset, giant robot walking through Times Square, two dogs running on the water, aerial view of Manhattan at night, cute sad cat wrapped in a comfy blanket, dragon flying over a magical city, empty lavish Victorian makeup studio. I'm going to enter couple on the beach eating a banana. Tap Create. Here are 4 images of people eating bananas. I'm going to choose the bottom left. You can also alter the image by entering Help me edit this image. Tap Next. Here's what I want to write about this post. Have you tried Nano Banana Image Editor inside YouTube yet? Select the visibility setting, public, schedule, or none. You can also select expiration where it expires in 24 hours. I'm going to select schedule. Instead of January 8th, I'm going to select 9th. Instead of 10:39, I'm going to select 8 o'clock. Tap OK, tap Done. You can still edit the image by tapping the pencil icon. If you don't want to edit the image, just tap Next. Tap Schedule to schedule your image. It says your post has been scheduled. Tap View, and here's my community post that has been scheduled for January 9th. If you need some inspiration, try out these prompts. Change the background to a location. Remove the object from my photo. Give my room a decor style makeover. So is Nano Banana on YouTube available to everybody? It's available to all users who are at least 18 years of age and located in the United States, Canada, New Zealand, and India. Currently, all prompts have to be entered in English. Here are some ideas to use Nana Banana to edit images in your YouTube posts. Transport yourself to different locations. Try on new outfits. Switch up hairstyles. Or time travel to different decades. All while keeping you and your creativity as the main character. Need to remove a distracting object or change the background color? You can easily add, remove, or modify specific elements with just a prompt. Restore older photos or adjust the vibe to match your channel's branding. If you're not consistently using community posts on YouTube yet, watch this next video titled How to Make Community Posts on YouTube, Desktop or Mobile. You'll be glad you did.